I am standing inside one of my favorite RVs on the lot. We actually just got this one in. This is the Puma 403LFT, and if you have kids or a big family, this is going to be for you. Let's start off in this cute little dinette area. First off, I love all the windows and the natural light in here. You've got two adorable seats plus the bench seat with extra storage. This kitchen is so massive. I couldn't even fit it all in the shot, so we're just gonna start right here. First off, I love these windows. These are gorgeous and they provide so much natural light. This overhead storage, you guys can see how tall these ceilings really are. You have lots of counter space in here. This little drawer here has the dividers for utensils. And then you have a nice large stainless steel sink. You have the little detachable sprayer, cup wash, and then there is a little soap dispenser. You've got a cutting board in here. There's a strainer, so cool. Again, so much counter space. And then you do have this residential size stove. I love this. I'm telling you, this thing is the same size as mine at home, so you can cook anything. There's no limits. And then you have this built-in convection oven, microwave, and air fryer. I use the air fryer a ton. Okay, let me show you guys that other little part I couldn't fit in the frame. All right, here is the part I cannot fit in the frame, and I feel like it's very important. So you have a nice large residential size refrigerator. This thing is massive. And then you have the double freezers below, which is so cool. Better than the one I have at home. Tell my husband. And then you have a huge, ginormous pantry. The living room is massive, just like the rest of this RV. So you have a huge television. You have a nice large fireplace here. You've got your speakers. And then I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but you do have two sleeper sofas on the side and then a set of recliners. I don't want to miss talking about the hallway, but I do love these sliding glass doors. They're not just like your traditional camper doors, so I love that. You also have a little curtain here so that you can shut that and have some privacy. All right, let's move on to the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. You have that little oval mirror, and then you have your sink. I love the blue color that they do. You have a nice large shower, some storage, and there's your toilet. Let's head on up the stairs and check out the loft area. I love the lofts in this Puma. They are so spacious. This is perfect for your kids. They do have a little air conditioning unit up here so it doesn't get too toasty. And then there is a place to mount a television right across from these beds. This master bedroom is so large. Again, I can't fit it all into the frame. So you have a nice large bed in here. You have this gorgeous wardrobe that you can store all of your clothing. It does have a hanging rack. And then one of the best features is this unit does come with a washer and dryer that's in the bedroom. I love that. And then you have a little vanity here that comes with a cute little stool. There's a window and a place to mount your television. I'm going to do a little pan around and show you guys this room. This is the Puma 403LFT. I want to know, what do you guys think of this one?